Alright, today I am going to be making ramen noodles with butter and lime. Absolute goodness. I'm sure you're going to love this. It's one of my favorite recipes. Let's get started. So first of all, you're going to need your ramen noodles, your butter. I'm only going to use half of a stick of butter, and some fresh lime. Alright, so what I'm going to do first, open up the packet, put the ramen noodle inside of the rapid ramen cooker. And then I'm going to add the ramen noodles. And then once I have the ramen noodles in there, I'm going to add water all the way up to the line. And then I'm going to put it in the microwave for 4 minutes. Alright, after 4 minutes, I'm going to pull the ramen noodles out. Ramen noodles out of the microwave, and then I'm going to stir them a little bit. Once I stir them, I'm going to drain the sauce, the beef sauce that I had in there. So I'm just going to drain that really quick. And then I am going to add the half of a stick of butter to the mixture, and I'm going to cut it up so it melts evenly, okay? You can also put this in the microwave for an additional 15 to 17 seconds. All right, so I have this in, and I'm just going to stir it up a little bit. Make sure the noodles get on top, that way it's completely surrounds the butter and melts the butter. And then I'm going to top it off with some lime, some fresh lime. Let me zoom in, because this deserves to zoom in. All right, and I'm going to take the lime, and I'm just going to squeeze it over the ramen noodles. Like that. And then voila. I can smell the lime. Can you smell the lime? Absolute goodness, if you ask me. Absolute goodness.